fun chats with JD and guests where you get to relive the magic that happened on air. Due to copyright reasons, music has been removed and parts of the show have been edited for AOD purposes. All right, welcome after the commercials and welcome to all of our amazing listeners. Now, today we have something really interesting here in our trend because it's so important, right, to stand up
That's right.
for the rights of everybody.
But anyway, 트렌디한 한 PD가 왔어요. 여러분들의 즐거운 시간을 위해서 한 PD가 돌아왔는데요. Well, we're going to talk about racism, sexism,
Discrimination.
Yes.
Not
all
just
about that today.
that. If you're an observer, if you're somebody who sees it, if you hear it, are you just going to like, I didn't hear it. It's not me. Not in my
맞아요.
backyard. It's not my problem.
JD가 말씀하신 걸 어떻게 보면 bystander라고 하죠. 그 방관하는 사람들. Just leave it like that. I don't. That is not of my business.
Yep.
That's not my business at
Right.
all. 그래서 방관자라고 이야기를 하는데요. 저희가 오늘은 좀 차별에 관해서 이야기를 하는데 특히 그 차별을 봤을 때 그냥 방관하는 사람들에 대해서 조금 이야기를 하고 방관자가 되지 않는 5가지 방법을 여러분께 좀 설명해 드리려고 해요. Right?
Yep. So, I mean, it's not just for you. So think about yourself. Maybe it's you and your friend, or it's somebody around you, or you hear something like old people, right? Somebody says or does something to someone who's older or to a different sex or to somebody in your community, to a foreign resident. Or think about if you are traveling abroad and something happens to you in that country, are you going to like, you know, how are you going to deal with that? Or like if there are people around you, would you just like you would be like, why is nobody helping me, right? So I think a really important part of, you know, getting rid of this bystander effect is actually knowing that there's something called the bystander effect. It's like nobody does anything when something happens because people are waiting for other people to do something. So then in the end, nobody ends up doing anything. So don't be a bystander, all right? So we're going to talk about this in particular relation to racism and discrimination. So number one, definitely you've got to speak up when you witness it. I mean, hello? I don't know why you won't. Don't stay silent. Speak up and show support for the person or people being discriminated against and make it clear that this behavior is not tolerated.
맞아요.
Like you have to draw a line and be like, look, there's clearly right and wrong, right? And if you're like not saying anything, you're obviously not thinking you're not siding on the right side.
But anyway, the discrimination is happening everywhere in
Of
this
course.
world. Not just in Korea, but other countries too. 근데 요즘에는 대한민국도 한국도 요즘 다문화 가정들이 많이 생기고 있잖아요. Because there are so many international marriage, right? Between
Right. Or students.
or students,
whoever.
right? So many people are here in Korea, and if they get the discrimination from somebody, do we have to be a bystander or we have to support them or
Right.
help
I mean, it's not only
right?
just between, you know, certain groups. Like, it's between
them?
foreigners and
Foreigners
foreigners
and-
too.
That's
It's
right.
like, whoa. So, no, I think anyone can be discriminated against. Anybody can discriminate. It could be race, it could be sex, it could be age, it could be social status, it could be anything. But, you know, there's a clear right and wrong. And if it's happening right around you and you're not taking action, it kind of means you agree with that. So there you go. I mean,
if you
it's
don't
really
say
as simple
anything,
as that.
then that means you're kind of agreeing with that, right?
Yes.
But anyway, well, I lived in Canada for 10 years.
Right.
And Canada is a very amazing country. I really loved Canada, and it's my second home. I can say that proudly because Canada always stands for the multicultural people.
Right.
They accept the difference
Right.
between people.
Mm.
그래서 그 다문화라는 멀티컬처럴이라는 그 단어가 캐나다에서 왔다고 해요. 그래서 저도 항상 거기에 대한 자부심을 갖고 있는데 캐나다가 제 이 고향이라고 생각하고 이렇게 살고 있지만은 캐나다에서 저도 단 한 번도 인종차별을 당해보지도 않았어요.
I'm
왜냐면
pretty sure you did, but
그런데
everyone there's like situations like everywhere, like even
of
in my
course
own
they
country, I
kind
would be
of like if I say I'm from Korea and then they would ask me, are you from South or North?
right.
Yeah.
There could be
그게 조금 어떻게 보면 차별적인 발언일 수도 있지만 like those kind of thing.
Right.
It's really little compared to something else.
Like major,
yeah.
right,
The major
right.
one. 그래서 캐나다에서는 제가 좀 인종차별을 덜 느꼈다고 말할게요. 느낀 것보다도 덜 느꼈다라고 말씀드릴 수 있는 게 정말 다양한 인종들이 다 같이 와서 함께 살고 있는 국가라서 그런지 모르겠지만 인종차별적인 발언에 대해서 되게 민감하고요. 그걸 가만히 보고 있진 않아요. 그래서 당연히 좀 이상한 사람들이 인종차별적인 발언이나 차별적인 발언을 많이 하겠지만 그 캐나다 분들은 대부분 제가 동양에서 왔다 가면은 you're Asian, blah blah blah,
Right,
right?
right.
근데 그러한 그 행동을 보진 못했어요 캐나다에서. 근데 I actually went to I don't want to say that, but I went to USA, US when I was grade 6, and I was
Right.
crossing the street. 제가 이렇게 길을 건너고 있는데 you little
Oh
Asian
no.
and F word to you. And actually they were yelling at us from the car. 차 안에서 그 젊은 청년들이었거든요. 근데 제가 이모랑 같이 이렇게 걸어가고 있는데 야, 거기 있는 에이션 여자야, 뭐 왜 여기 왔니? 라는 식으로 그런 식으로
Oh my
소리를
God.
지르고 그랬거든요. 그런데 전 단 한 번도 캐나다에서 그런 그 행동을 본 적도 없고 경험한 적도 없어서 정말 좋은데 그 여러 인종들을 인정하고 이 같이 사는 그 소사이어티가 너무 좋았고 지금 한국도 정말 다문화로 많이 변하고 있거든요. Like you can easily find some people who actually married to international people, right?
Right.
So it's really, really easy to find that. So I think being a bystander is not good for all Koreans.
I think being a bystander is not good for anyone.
Anyone,
Because
yeah.
if you're literally not doing anything, I mean, like I've said earlier, if you're in that situation, you are probably so shocked. You don't know what to do, and then you're maybe waiting, or you're thinking, like, why is no one helping me or something? So this could be like with accidents or anything. The bystander
맞아요.
effect, covers everything. So definitely recognizing that there is something such as the bystander effect helps you to reduce that situation, because now because you're literally all standing there waiting for someone to do something, and then no one's doing anything. So nobody does anything. So then the situation gets worse. But if one person steps up, does something, other people will also step up to do something.
맞아요.
So yeah, we've got lots and lots of tips for you guys. And one of the major things is, educate yourself about bystander effect, and also educate yourself and others about racism and discrimination. Gwangju is a human rights city. And what is included in human rights?
민주, 평화, 인권의 도시 광주.
And you know what?
What?
Global Gwangju Network, oh my God, has a human rights management charter. It's on the website, which totally means that, we also promote that, and we are champions of
맞아요.
that. So practicing human rights management to realize social values in all activities and to protect the human rights of all the stakeholders, which includes employees as well as the citizens
맞아요.
listening to the radio.
네, 저희 웹사이트에 딱 들어가시면 저 인권 경영을 위한 글로벌 광주 네트워크 헌장이라고 그게 있는데요. 거기에 보면 우리는 인권 노동 환경 반부패와 같은 가치를 지지하는 국내외 기준과 규범을 지지하고 준수합니다. 라고 이야기하고 있고 우리는 인권관리 시스템을 구축하는 등 필요한 시스템을 정책을 수립하고 시행합니다. 그리고 저희는 성별, 연령, 인종, 장애, 종교, 정치적 성향, 출신 지역 등을 이유로 모든 이행 관계자들을 차별하지 않습니다라고 정말 자랑스럽게 적혀 있어요. 맞죠?
Love it. So always advocating, always working hard to promote human rights,
That's
right?
right.
Don't forget next month is Human Rights World Human Rights Forum.
맞아요. 광주의 5월은 항상 인권, 평화, 민주에 대해서 이야기를 하고 강조를 하고 있죠. 그래서 저희도 인권, 평화, 민주의 도시라고도 알려져 있고요. 그래서 저희 5월을 위해서 지금부터 모든 시민들 그리고 외국인들을 그리고 아이들에게 이 인권에 대해서도 좀 알려주는 것도 중요하다고 생각해요.
Right. So we love it. And, you know, Gwangju is getting ready to welcome the world, right? It is 2025 visit
광주.
year. Oh my God. So imagine, you know,
맞아요.
we have to present, we have to make sure that everyone feels welcome in the city. Like whoever is here, we have to really, really make sure that everyone feels welcome and they don't feel any sort of weirdness. Or if anything does happen, someone doesn't speak Korean, they don't know what to do. Maybe you're in that area. Don't be a bystander.
네.
Step up and help people. Yeah, that is one of the biggest promoters or the PR. If someone comes to Gwangju and they're like, I had such an amazing time, the people are so amazing, right? That's what they'll remember. But if something negative happens, that's the thing they're going to take away with them.
맞아요. 그리고 제이디가 말씀하신 것처럼 every year 매년마다 5월 정도쯤이나 아니면 9월 정도쯤에 저희가 아니죠. GIC나 GIC에서 운영을 하고 있는데요. GIC와 광주시가 운영하는 인권 포럼이란 게 있어요. Human Rights Forum, and of course they invite the worldwide people. To the
Right.
forum,
Experts.
experts to talk about the human rights. 인권에 대해서 다양한 세계 사람들과 함께 이야기를 나누는 그런 포럼이 이어지고 있는데요. 거기에서는 여성 평등, 양성 평등, 인종 차별적인 발언을 하지 않는 그러한 거에 대해서 이야기를 하기 때문에 관심 있는 분들은 그런 포럼에 한번 참가하셔서 들어보는 것도 좋을 것 같아요. Right?
Right. I think so important. And so as we get ready to welcome everyone to Gwangju, we want to put our best, forward so that people can be like, whoa, the people of Gwangju, everyone are so amazing, right? And they'll be like talking about it. They'll never forget that experience. So we're going to talk a little bit more about, not being a bystander and also how to speak up against any instance of racism. But you know what? We've got to be strong because it takes a really strong person to step up, right? A really strong person with great morals to step up and
용감한 자가
defend.
그렇게
right?
놔두지 않기 때문에 방관하지 않기 때문에 정말 그 사람들은 용감한 자라고 저도 생각합니다.
Indeed. So here we have Christina Aguilera with Fighter. So let's enjoy. Fun chats with JD and guests where you get to relive the magic that happened on air. Due to copyright reasons, music has been removed and parts of the show have been edited for AOD purposes. All right, you got to make yourself a fighter, right? And you've got to fight for the rights. As we mentioned earlier, throughout this month, it's definitely got to fight for the rights for everybody. Everybody deserves to have equal human rights. So support organizations fighting for equality, everybody, and confront harmful stereotypes and language. So if you hear somebody saying something negative or racist or, discriminatory against anybody or, any particular race or gender or age or whatever, just be like, no, I'm not comfortable with what you're saying. Like, if we don't say anything, some people might feel like, oh, it's okay for me to say that. But like when you're like, no, this is not what we're doing. This is disrespectful. They are going to learn. Stop.
맞아요. 차별을 목격했을 때 침묵하지 마세요, 여러분. 누군가 차별을 당하고 있는 모습을 봤을 때 조용히 넘어가지 마세요. 그 사람에게 지지를 보내고 당신은 그런 행동을 용납하지 않는다는 걸 분명히 표현해 주면 큰 힘이 돼요. 그리고 당신의 한마디가 그 사람에게 큰 힘이 되니까 항상 그러한 차별을 목격했을 때 절대 침묵은 하지 않는 게 좋을 것 같습니다.
Oh my goodness, Gwangju leading the way, everybody. And definitely, we have to create inclusive spaces. So I think yesterday we went to the ACC, right?
Yep.
There was an opening, this amazing art exhibition that was barrier free, inclusive of everyone. The art was trying to like make sure that everybody could access it and that it had a meaning and a message, right? And we spoke to one of the artists, and I'll bring you that interview after the commercials. Diversity, equity, inclusion is such a huge thing that we have to take note of because if people feel included, if they feel like their rights are protected, they're definitely going to do more. They're going to work harder and they're also going to like make sure that everyone else's rights
네.
are being respected.
방금 말씀하신 건 저희가 어제였나요?
Yes.
Yesterday, right?
Yeah.
We actually went to ACC. and
Right.
ACC에 갔는데 그쪽에서 이제 장애인과 비장애인들을 위한 전시회를 하더라고요. 굉장히 새로운 공간이었어요. 장애인과 비장애인들이 함께 할 수 있는 공간, 그리고 장애인이어도 미술을 이렇게 접할 수 있는 공간이라고 말을 해야 될까요? 그래서 그러한 공간이 굉장히 포용적인 공간이라고 생각하거든요. 그래서 JD가 방금 말씀하신 것처럼 모두를 위한 포용적인 공간을 만들어주는 게 굉장히 중요하다라고 말씀하셨는데 직장이든 학교든 우리가 사는 지역사회든 누구나 인종이 배경에 관계없이 존중받고 소중히 여겨지는 환경이 되어야 한다고 저도 생각하고 그리고 그런 공간을 만들기 위해서 우리가 먼저 그다음에 여러분들이 먼저 움직여 주는 게 맞지 않는가라고 생각이 됩니다. Right?
Right. You can do it. Everybody can do it. And it's just about, educating each other as, don't be a bystander. Like, really don't. So you can go check out that exhibition. It's absolutely free.
네.
It's called Crossing the Line, Our Bodies Embedded with Others. It's really thought-provoking. And I think there's some interactive, most of the exhibits are interactive. So there's exhibits, I think the first one is kind of elephant, reimagined elephant. And you can also touch, right? There's sound exhibitions. There's some that offer visual experiences. And then there's a really great surprise where it's like you have to work together with somebody that maybe you know or you don't know. So definitely go check it out. It's happening at Space 6, and that's at the ACC. And I did have a sit down with one of the artists, and it was really interesting and thought-provoking. I really loved it. But amazing. Go check out our website. You can find the Gwangju Global Network Charter of Human Rights Management, and really, really love that one of the tenets of this says we establish and implement necessary systems and policies, such as establishing a human rights management system, not to discriminate against any stakeholders, employees on grounds of gender, age, race, disability, religion, political orientation, or region of origin. So, wow. I hope your company also has one of these. And definitely, if you are facing discrimination or sexism or anything within your company, definitely know that, Gwangju has got your back.
맞아요. 광주는 인권, 평화, 민주 도시이기 때문에 항상 여러분 곁에서 먼저 움직일 준비가 되어 있는 것 같아요. 그래서 JD가 아까 지금 잠깐 말씀하셨지만 인종차별에 대해서 좀 배우고 다른 사람들과 나누는 것도 굉장히 중요하기 때문에요. 인종차별의 역사, 그 영향과 현실에 대해서 배우는 것부터 시작해서 그리고 아이들한테도 이런 것도 가르쳐주는 게 되게 중요할 것 같아요. 그리고 우리가 배운 내용을 주변 사람들하고 나누고 이해가 쌓일 수 있고 또 우리는 함께 더 나은 세상을 만들어갈 수 있다라는 말들도 전해주면 참 좋을 것 같아요.
Right. I think it's really important to, inform your kids about different kind of things because they can also be discriminated against, right?
맞아요.
You never
맞아요.
know. Somebody might say something or
But
treat them badly as a younger person.
그런데 I think they learn it from their parents.
Right. I mean,
Sometimes.
this is the most important thing, right? It's that we should be like looking out
맞아요.
and teaching kids about, this is what discrimination or like racism looks like, and this might happen to you.
맞아요.
So when this happens, then this is what you do. Speak out. Don't be a bystander. Ask for help. Make sure that the spaces you are in are inclusive, right? So, yeah. Also, go check out the ACC. Amazing exhibits going on there, not only in Space 6, but if you go upstairs as well. And I know that they have so many more coming, right, throughout this
Yes.
year. So busy.
Exhibition. That's right. But anyway, maybe next time we can talk about some discrimination. If you actually face the discrimination, how to react to that. We can
Right.
teach you how to react to that, like 5 ways or many ways, right?
Right. Definitely most important is to learn and talk about it. Create conversations.
네, 맞아요.
Because through conversations, it's how we are going to, make a better society. So we are going to see you tomorrow.
Of course, I will be back tomorrow again.
And listeners, I'll see you after the commercials with more fantastic and amazing music to soothe your way into the afternoon. Stay tuned.
글로벌 광주 네트워크 인권 경영 헌장. 글로벌 광주 네트워크는 즐거운 방송, GGN 함께라는 비전을 바탕으로 시민의 행복과 복지 증진을 목표로 합니다. 이를 위해 우리는 모든 사업 활동에서 사회적 가치를 실현하고 이해관계자의 인권을 보호하기 위한 인권 경영을 실천하고자 합니다. 이에 따라 인권 경영을 정착시키고 확산하기 위하여 임직원이 준수해야 할 행동규범이자 가치 판단의 기준으로 인권 경영 헌장을 선언하며 이를 성실히 실천할 것을 다짐합니다. 우리는 인권, 노동, 환경, 반부패 등의 가치를 지지하는 국내외 기준 및 규범을 지지하고 준수합니다. 우리는 인권 경영 체계 구축 등 필요한 제도와 정책을 수립하고 이를 실천합니다. 우리는 임직원을 포함한 모든 이해관계자에게 성별, 연령, 인종, 장애, 종교, 정치적 성향, 출신 지역 등을 이유로 차별하지 않습니다. 우리는 직원의 인권 보호를 위해 결사의 자유 및 단체 교섭권을 보장합니다. 우리는 어떠한 형태의 강제노동 및 아동노동도 허용하지 않으며 직원들에게 안전하고 위생적인 근무 환경을 조성하여 산업안전 및 보건을 증진합니다. 우리는 협력사 및 관련 기관을 공정하게 대하며 인권 존중을 위해 노력합니다. 우리는 사업 활동에서 지역 주민과 고객의 인권을 존중하고 업무 과정에서 수집된 개인정보를 보호합니다. 우리는 국내외 환경 관련 법규를 준수하며 환경 보호와 환경재해 예방에 힘씁니다. 우리는 사업 및 경영활동 중 발생하는 인권 침해에 대해 신속하고 적절한 구제를 제공함으로써 인권 경영을 선도합니다.
Gwangju Global Network's Charter for Human Rights Management, enacted on the 26th of December 2019. Gwangju Global Network aims to promote the happiness and welfare of citizens with the vision of pleasant broadcasting, GGN together. To this end, we'll practice human rights management to realize social values in all business activities and protect the human rights of stakeholders. Therefore, in order to establish and spread human rights management, we declare the Human Rights Management Charter as the code of conduct and value judgments that executives and employees must abide by and pledge to practice it. Here are further details on Global Gwangju Network's Charter for Human Rights Management. We support and abide by domestic and international standards and norms that supports values such as human rights, labor, environment, and anti-corruption. We establish and implement necessary systems and policies such as establishing a human rights managing system. We do not discriminate against all stakeholders, including executives and employees, on the grounds of gender, age, race, disability, religion, political orientation, and region of origin. We guarantee freedom of association and collective bargaining to promote and protect human rights of our employees. We stand at the forefront of human rights management by providing prompt and appropriate remedies for human rights violations that occur in business and business-related activities. This is the Gwangju Global Network's Charter for Human Rights Management.